Hi there, folks, and welcome to this episode of Michael's Backyard Marina. It is proudly sponsored by SEI Marine Products. I want to show you a new little thing here that I ran across on their website. There again, I was on their website. The link's below for the website. The link will be below for this particular part as well. And I said, hey, Justin, I really could, I think I got an application for this guy. And can you send me one? And he did. This is looks like maybe a part number 87-200. There again, the link will be in the description below. Do you have a Skeg that's on your boat that's broken, battered, beat, looks abused, looks like you've been down 10 miles of bad gravel road and forgot to, you know, trim it up? This can make it all look good again and work and be strong. And it's actually, I actually really like the design. It's very well made. It's very nice looking. Let's show you how to put it on real quick. It comes with this piece. It comes with, I'm pretty sure what they call sex bolts, and that's not a derogatory anything. It's just the way they mate together. So they basically have the same head on both sides, so it looks uniform. You don't have a bolt head on one side, a big old nasty nut thread sticking on the other side. It looks very clean and neat. Let's get busy putting this on, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. All right, guys, I want to capture how easy this is. As you can see, this has been beat up and hit a lot. It's broken off chunks. I'm not sure how chunks like this get broken off, but you know, this here's your new piece. You can put it on. I'm gonna just tap it up in place. Get it up there nice and tight. I've got a 1/4-inch drill bit here. I'm gonna put my drill. And I'm gonna cheat a little bit because I'm gonna use this stainless as my pilot. And you know, this stuff is very soft aluminum. And I'm just gonna drill about halfway through on both sides. All right, we've drilled halfway through from both sides. Really easy with a 1/4-inch drill bit. Here's what I used. And then we've got, that fits right there. I'm putting them both in from the same direction. And then it comes with a little bottle of 271 Loctite. Not sure what color this is, but if it's red, it's gonna be a thread locker. If it's blue, it's a thread locker that's workable. If it's red, it's a permanent fixture type of thing. So this is red. I mean, this is so simple to put on. Even if you don't have, you know, a whole lot of power tools, this is still very, very easy. You know a buddy that has a drill, and you can buy a 1/4-inch drill bit if you need to, very inexpensively. Then you got your flat blade screwdriver here and a Phillips on the other side, and we'll just tighten this down. Once that's good and tight and locked down, you look like you know what you're doing again and not running over everything in the bottom of the lake. Come on, let's get in here. I mean, that is a very solid fix, and it looks great too. I get my cloth out here, I can shine it up, but as you can see, that looks awesome. And that's gonna make your boat look a lot better. Now you have to admit, that does look a lot better than that old jagged and messed up piece that was there. The other thoughtful thing they did here is you'll see a gap in the weld down here to either side. So when water gets in here, which it will drain out. It won't, in climates that freeze, it won't have water trapped in here that freezes and causes this thing to expand and, you know, just get real ugly on you. But man, that is an amazing little transformation there. I like how that works. And you know, some people might have this completely broken off where you only have about 2 inches up here. This will work on that application. You just drive it up there tight, drill your 2 holes, tighten it down, and you've got a full skeg. And that helps, you know, this is your rudder. This is your thrust. This is gonna give you all the push, but this, and it pushes in a direction as you steer, but this bottom piece here, this whole thing acts as a rudder and gives you a little more control of your boat. That is awesome. I like it. It's, you know, wow. Thank you, SEI, for providing this and making this boat look really, really good again. There again, this short video, guys, this is just a how-to. These things are very reasonably priced. It's all stainless steel construction. It looks like it's very well made, and for what it is and where it fits, it's very reasonably priced. I would give you the price on here, but you know, as websites are, prices are subject to change. So I don't want to tell you a price here and then you go to the website and go, it's $10 more, or it's $10 less, or it's somewhere in between. So check it out. Like I said, links in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And once again, thank you, SEI, for hooking us up with this and making this project look even better. It just looks better. I mean, it's awesome. All right, guys, this is Michael saying, if it ain't broke, fix it till it is. We'll see you on the next video. Be kind to one another and treat each other like you want to be treated. You know, let's all get along. I'm out.